down the easiest wig I have ever put on in my life. Okay, hands down the easiest human hair wig I have ever put on in my life. Let go.
Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. The wig for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. The wig for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
Hey my bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with a voiceover. It's been a long time since I did one of these, y'all. But I had to come in with it. So obviously the unit that I am going to be rocking today was sent to me by Beautyforever Hair. Shout out to you, Beautyforever. Now I wanted to come to you guys because there's certain things that I didn't show in this with this wig. Now this unit is a pre-cut unit. It does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and it has an elastic band, and that band is adjustable. Now with this unit, it can be worn glueless, which is how I'm gonna wear it. I'm not gonna have no adhesive on it, none of the things, girl. Okay, so I want to just go ahead and say that, and now you guys can watch me style it. I'm gonna mention it way later in the video, but I wanted to go ahead and let you guys know from jump. So yeah, now you guys can carry on, and I'll see you guys in the outro. Bye.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody said, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself 'cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that'll make her feel better? Make her feel better. And that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Beautyforever Hair. Shout out to you, Beautyforever, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. It's truly appreciated. So I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all the details, and then we gonna get into the okay? So with this unit, this is the Beautyforever 33B Auburn pre-cut lace body wave 4x4 lace closure wig, human hair glueless wig with baby hair, natural hairline, beginner friendly. Y'all, beginner, like it's super beginner friendly. Okay, so the color is 33B. The lengths that are available in this unit is 16 to 24. If I'm not mistaken, I think they sent me 24 inches, but definitely check the description box down below to see. The texture is body wave. It comes in an average cap size. It says cap construction is import cap plus lace part, machine weft and hand woven, 100% virgin hair, slightly bleached knots, one piece, and yeah. I was getting ready to give y'all more details than y'all care for. All right, y'all. So, I don't know if you guys noticed, I didn't have to cut no lace. Okay, there was no lace to be cut on this unit. Now, you know your girl already love a closure. I'm a closure girl. Okay, I'm a closure girl. So I already love a closure. But honey, give me a closure that's already pre-cut and it's over with. All right, so this unit came pre-cut and it did come with the baby hairs. Now, I kind of showed that in the beginning so you guys could see it. Now, I did not bleach this wig. I didn't tweeze this wig. I barely curled this wig, okay? Like, I only curled the front, and I only curled the front because I had to cut, you know, some layers to kind of make it frame my face more. But honey, that's it, that's all. That's it, that's all, y'all. Okay, I did cut the baby hairs a little bit because they were a little too long for me, and I probably will later cut them a little more. I'm not sure yet, but that's it. That's it. That's it. So as far as the waves, honey, the waves were waving, and you guys can still see that like underneath here because I only curled this little part. The rest is how old girl woke up. Okay. As far as shedding and tangling, I haven't noticed any shrouded packaging. Not to say it won't do it. It may. Right now is not. But at some point I do expect it to do both. As far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, this unit is big head friendly. I did have to adjust the straps, and I did have to adjust the elastic band that's in the back of this unit. So in my opinion, it's big head friendly, but I think this is a unit that can work across the board because you can make it, it has that little adjustable band. So you can make it as like tight as you want to or as loose as you want to. So honestly, I feel like it can work across the board, but I am an average cap size, so girl, do with that what you want to do with that, because like I said, I'm an average cap size and I only got the head that's on the shoulders. So yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as the full 360, then please continue to watch. All right, I ain't gonna hold you, sis. I ain't gonna hold you, sis. You know I like to start with the cons because I like to end on a high note, but I'm not gonna hold you, sis. I ain't got none. I ain't got no con. Okay. Maybe let me just throw some out there. It could have been tweezed a little more. That's all I got. Could have been tweezed a little more. That's it. That's all I got. Now, baby girl, the pros are endless. Okay, the pros are endless. First of all, it's pre-cut. Second of all, the color is bomb. Okay, the color is bomb. I always say y'all like to wear these sort of colors in the fall and winter months, but honey, I'm gonna be rocking Miss Auburn's all summer, it looks like, because I love a good Auburn wig. I just can't let it go for some reason. Okay, every time I try to leave, some keep pulling me back, you know, like I need it in my life. So I love that. I also love that this unit is glueless. That is something I left out. This is glueless. I don't have any adhesive on this unit. Child, where's my comb or something that I can stick in here and show y'all? Let me just stick my little, this right here in there. Like, girl, she's glueless, okay? And I didn't want to lift it up because I don't want to lift up my baby hair. I ain't got rid of my bronzer. Hold on, y'all. Let me put my bronzer back on. Hold on. So that to me makes this unit extremely beginner friendly. Y'all, if my bronzer looking crazy, it's because I just left a little bit on there. Don't judge me. But yeah, that makes this unit extremely beginner friendly. The fact that it's pre-cut, you can wear it glueless, you can just slap old girl on. The baby hairs are already there. You may have to cut them, adjust them how you want to, or not use them at all. But it makes, to me, this unit very beginner friendly. Now it came as like a middle part, but I wanted to do a side part. That was just kind of like, that was what I was feeling when I put it in the middle part. I ain't like it like I like the side part. I'm feeling like a side chick today. Okay, sis, that bust down wasn't busting down for me today. So but you can wear it, you can shift it if you want it to be or I mean, it is a closure, so you can part it elsewhere, but I decided to shift it, child. I don't know why. I just did, because I'm lazy. I do know why. I'm lazy. But you can part it wherever because you do still have that 4x4 closure. So yeah, like those are all my pros. Now girl, I know you can tell by how hype I am about this wig that obviously I would recommend it. So we can move on from that, okay? I ain't gonna even hold you. Let's go on. All right, so I'm gonna give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So y'all, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am, because I am feeling old girl, okay? I am feeling old girl. Can I get all my wigs like this? Can they just send everybody, just send me this type of wig, okay? This is gonna be my new go-to hair, honey. Something I can just throw on and bounce out on out the house, okay? New go-to hair. So let me know if y'all feeling it as much as I am. I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out to you, Beautyforever Hair, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, what you doing with your life? Hit that subscribe button. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Missy on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I'll see you love bugs next time. Bye.
The looks you love completely. Got every style and we